What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we have the oil pan off. So, looking up under the motor here, it looks all pretty good. Just getting this off for the first time, seeing that we do indeed have a 4-bolt main. So, keep watching, and yeah. Alright, guys, so we went to the Hangover Nationals, came back, time to change the oil, and we found, I probably won't be able to see this on camera, found some little chunks of metal thing in the oil. So, we took the whole entire valve train apart, found a couple things. Have this adjuster net, which appears to be cracked. Line. You can see that all the way through it. A push rod. Look in the right end. You see this, but yeah, the edge right there. It's missing a little piece. And then we also found this rocker arm. We have the roller tip rocker arms, but the little pin moves through it on all of them, or the other ones doesn't move. So that's just stuff that we found, never taken it apart before. So I think it's a good thing that we've got it all apart right now. We'll see what happens. I don't even know. But so now, yeah, as you saw, we had the pan off. We looked at it. Everything looked pretty good. Now we have some more part specs. Share that with you guys in a minute. Alright, so we got the oil pump off. Here it is. About to take it apart. Don't really know what to look for. It's just missing pieces. So the Hangover Nationals went really well. You know what they say, always runs the best before it breaks. So we'll see what happens. The bottom end is really nice in here in the car, so I think we'll be able to put it back together. We just got to figure out what's wrong. You know, the good news is we haven't found anything broken yet. But the bad news is also that we haven't found anything broken yet, so keep watching. Alright, guys, so we got the oil pump out. As you saw, it took it apart. It all looked good. Now I have the intake off, and we found the oddest looking lifters ever. Comment if you know what these are, because neither of us have any idea or have seen anything like this before. So I don't know. Alright, guys, pulled off the balancer. We're going to change that out, and got the timing cover off. Found what the pieces were, finally. Of course, it was the last thing that we looked at. Yeah, I even said that, too. On the bottom of the gear, it's missing a tooth. So I think that's what we found. Got her figured out. So we'll fix that. Get all the other things fixed. Yeah. So hopefully we'll be back racing in not too long. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all of the things. And Hangover Nationals video will be out in a little bit. This has just been a little more of a focus. So, thanks for watching. Bye for now.